What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're seeing that pullback that we talked about yesterday. We'll get into a little bit more news with the V2 as I had many questions in yesterday's video. So we're sitting at 0.045, down 7%. Seeing market cap of 314 million, 24-hour volume 396 million. So we'll do a quick sneak peek into my news here that I post in the Discord. Usually this is coming in at the $10 membership. So we know about the V2 tokens designed to make Gala more secure and will introduce burn mechanisms which may make the token more valuable in the future. So I do think some large burns will come for Gala games, which will make the asset more scarce, and it will also increase demand. As you can see here, burns may provide a bullish impetus for tokens because they can lead to price increases as demand increases and supply reduces. So it looks like it's going to be a 1-to-1 ratio, meaning the price won't change. And if you hold your tokens on any of the major exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, Bitget, then the V2 coins should convert automatically on a 1-to-1 basis. You wouldn't have to do anything. If you do have future trades open, I'd recommend closing them by May 15th. And if you have your coins on a ledger, I would also recommend moving them to an exchange by May 15th. All right, gang. So let's hop into the analysis. So yesterday we said if we pull back from here, look for a drop down into our wave 4 pullback zone. And that's exactly what has happened. Looks like a nice A, B, C correction. We actually wicked below the 50% retracement, which is the max retracement for a wave 4, but we were able to close above it. So as long as we can hold 0.0434, then we can push up in our wave 5, which will give you a target of 0.051. If we look at the daily time frame, once again we came back down to the 20 EMA for a retest. We wicked right down to it. We pushed right back up. Gala's been recovering quicker than some other coins, so obviously there's still some buying pressure from the news of the V2 announcement. So as long as we can hold that bullish cross, we can see continuation up to 0.046. We took some profits on our trade that we entered down here. It was up 30%, about 35% actually, so took some profits right before the drop. And look to continue to hold my position as we push higher. I gave signals for that in the Discord. It's coming in at 10 USD per month. So that's it for this little update. Just wanted to answer some questions that were in the comment section from yesterday's video. As long as we can hold 0.0434, we can see continuation. If that level breaks, then we have to readjust the wave count. So make sure to sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitget, up to 8K in bonuses, up to 30K in bonuses on Bybit. Check out my full-length tutorials. Once you sign up, email me your sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, trade signals, all types of goodies. And if you make your first deposit to one of the exchanges, you get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. Mahalo all plays. As you can see, some of them absolutely crushed it on that previous Gala move. So all those signals, analysis, 30-day free trial, just email me or sign up email to one of the exchanges, make your first deposit. If you want direct access, it's only $10 per month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. All links down below in the comment section. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.